irrespective of how much cooking happens in the kitchen, there are always a few basic ingredients available in every household. And many of these basic ingredients are extremely valuable, not just in cooking, but as home remedies for several ailments. Welcome to Simply Curious. In a new series on essential home remedies, today we are listing out the top 10 benefits of the most basic ingredient, salt. You will be surprised how this humble ingredient works wonders. Number 1. Canker sores. Did you know that rinsing your mouth with salt water can ease the pain and help you heal faster? All you need to do is stir a teaspoon of salt into half a cup or so of water, swish and spit. Do this several times a day until your canker sores don't bother you anymore. Number 2. Stuffy or runny nose. Salt is a proven way to help you breathe easier when you've got a cold, the flu or allergies. The best part is that it hardly costs anything. Look for over-the-counter saline nose sprays at the drugstore, or best, use a neti pot to rinse out your nasal passages with salt water. Number 3. Psoriasis and eczema. Soaking in mineral-rich salt water helps to moisturize the skin and ease redness. And if you have psoriasis or eczema, it can relieve the scaly patches and inflammation. To do this at home, add Dead Sea salts or Epsom salts to your tub and soak for about 15 minutes. Even a cup of plain table salt in your bath water can ease eczema symptoms. Number 4. Sore throat. As Indians, salt water gargling has been our go-to home remedy for sore throats. Just add half a teaspoon of salt in a warm cup of water. This will ease swelling and also make your sore, scratchy throat feel better. Number 5. Tired feet. For that matter, if you are really tired and have a lot of aches and pains, the best thing to do is dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in a gallon of warm water and soak in. The salt has magnesium, which helps to keep your muscles working well, and the warm water makes you feel so good. So make sure you take a salt water bath. Number 6. Constipation. If you have irregular bowel movement, try a teaspoon of Epsom salt in a glass of water. You are sure to find relief, and you can add lemon juice to make it taste better. Number 7. Dental care. While several people claim that salt helps to whiten teeth, one thing is for sure. It is a natural antibacterial and it helps to look after your gums. Mix a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. Number 8. Burns. How often have you burned your fingers or hands while cooking in the kitchen? Well, salt is the best remedy for any first-degree burn where you singe your skin. Immediately dip the burn in salt water or just apply a little bit of salt after rinsing the affected area under running water. Depending on the intensity of the burn, you may feel the sting. But trust me, it will prevent the formation of blisters and even scars. It is so effective that if I burn my tongue while drinking hot tea or soup, I quickly apply salt and in a few minutes, I am ready for another hot drink. A word of caution, please do not use salt on open wounds or blisters. Number 9. Inflammations. Application of heat to the surface of the body is a simple and effective method to reduce irritation and inflammations. Be it to soothe eyes or any other surface inflammations, salt is mixed in warm water and applied on the affected part using a clean cloth or cotton wool. Number 10. Congestion. Sea salt or coarse salt is used to treat severe congestion. This salt is dry roasted and heated in a pan and tied in a clean cloth. This is then used to apply heat onto the chest and back after the application of Vicks or coconut oil with camphor to relieve congestion. The heat opens the pores in the skin, allowing the Vicks or camphor to penetrate better. These are only a few benefits of salt, and you will be amazed at how powerful this one compound is. Are you curious to know more? Subscribe to Simply Curious and hit the bell icon for instant notifications of our latest uploads. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and share it with all you know.